Tech startups are all the rage in the legal industry. There is so much hype around AI in the legal industry at the moment that it's made tech and innovation a significant focus in that sector. Many startup tech companies are sprouting up, aimed at solving every conceivable facet of need that might exist in legal life, ranging from contract lifecycle management to legal service marketplaces, cybersecurity to legal analytics. Some startups are simply cutting the costs of accessing legal services by putting people in touch directly with individual lawyers who then work with them to solve their particular needs. The model invariably involves the use of solicitor consultants, which is such a success in the legal industry. It works because it means law firms don't need to pay salaries to the lawyers providing the skills that their clients want to access. The firm simply shares the fees that they receive with the individual lawyer, whether the lawyer brings the work in or the work is provided by the firm. It's primarily a vehicle through which to access insurance and a business through which to provide services directly to the end client. Now, I predict that this model is going to be challenged by the new SRA regulations coming into effect on the 25th of November 2019. Large firms see tech as the key to delivering a better service to their clients and cutting costs in order to deliver more for less. Many of them are therefore investing in tech startups. What large firms want? Now, big law firms want to see solutions that automate repeat elements of jobs, leaving only the bespoke service to real lawyers. Their ultimate aim is to design the office in a way that will make the lawyer's role less about drafting and organizing processes and more about using their judgment, experience, and business advice. So with the spotlight on tech as it is, the upcoming regulatory changes which will enable solicitors to deliver most legal services from ordinary businesses rather than from a regulated law firm, or to provide even reserved legal services as freelancers, may not get the attention and excitement that they deserve, yet they potentially hold the key to a greater transformation of the legal industry than any of the regulatory reforms that have gone before. After all, to build a successful app or tech startup, you need to understand the market you're trying to provide your products into. If you tackle tech product creation without first getting real clarity on the customer's problems and what the customer wants and needs, the innovations you introduce are less likely to hit the mark and succeed. I discussed this in my recent blog, Digital Products: Why Relying on Customers to Tell You What They Want Won't Work. The tech should come last, once the problems of the market that you're in are fully understood, and also once you've launched a quick test product. Everyone nowadays wants to become an entrepreneur, so it's the turn of lawyers to try their hand at entrepreneurship. Never before have they had so much freedom from the regulator than they're about to get. Intangible assets. Now, some of the most valuable assets our businesses generate in today's economy are intangible. The value in successful businesses lie in the brand, digital content, websites, sales systems, know-how, any special software written for the business and the like. It's important to manage the knowledge assets, not just as you would manage physical assets in a manufacturing context, but even more so because by their very nature, intangibles are easy to lose. Being transient and non-physical, their legal significance can all too readily be overlooked. An equivalent process to the factory assembly line should happen within your service business so you avoid reinventing the wheel or losing knowledge. Knowledge is the asset that drives your service business. Recognizing that knowledge is the asset which enables you to deliver your solutions is the key to building a scalable service business. Generating value in business today involves managing those knowledge assets, which include your relationships, business processes, brand, and reputation. Ownership of physical assets is no longer the key to developing a valuable business. As an intellectual property lawyer who has built a law firm from the ground up, I'm well placed to help law firms and individual lawyers, whether you're considering setting up as a freelancer, a non-regulated business, a law firm, or a legally focused tech startup, to understand the impact of the impending regulatory changes and what's involved to build a brand in the knowledge economy. So to set yourself up for success in the 2020s, register your interest to attend our upcoming event.